Hello, dear children. How are you all? Hopefully, you all are happy, healthy, and excited for today's story. Without delay, let's begin. Quickly close your eyes so that you can imagine the entire story like a movie, just like playing in front of your eyes. So, let's begin. In the bursting town of Basantpur, two college friends, Anshu and Dev, lived in the same colony. They had grown up together, laughed together, and even dreamt of achieving something big in life. But there was one major difference between them. Anshu came from a wealthy family, while Dev came from a humble background. In college, Anshu's money made him popular. Many students would gather around him, always smiling, always praising him, always inviting him to parties. But behind their fake smiles, they only wanted one thing: Anshu's money. Among all these faces, Dev was the only one who genuinely cared. He always tried to remind Anshu money can't vanish. Money can vanish one day, but knowledge stays forever. Focus on your studies, Anshu. But Anshu didn't like hearing this. He felt Dev is just jealous. He doesn't want me to enjoy my life. Slowly, he started believing that Dev was not a friend, but a rival. One morning during the festival of Holi, Anshu had an important job interview. The office was just a short walk from their colony, but everyone was already preparing for the celebration. Buckets of colors, water balloons, people roaming around shouting, "Holi hai, Holi hai." Anshu became worried. His white shirt and formal trouser could get ruined. So he went to the group of friends and said, "Guys, please help me. I need to cross the street without getting color on my clothes." They laughed and said, "Bro, we can only promise one thing. We won't throw color on you, but others might. You manage by your own." They stepped back, unwilling to help. They, who had been watching everything, quietly walked towards Anshu and said softly, "Don't worry, I'll help you." Anshu forward. Anshu frowned. He still believed that Dev didn't like him. How will he help now? But Dev didn't explain anything. He simply walked ahead of Anshu, straight into the group of students playing Holi. As soon as Dev stepped in the crowd of who were preparing for Holi, the crowd cheered. "Arey, Dev aa gaya, maro, color maro, gubbare maro," they started shouting. Dev looked at them and shouted boldly, "If you have courage, throw more, use all your colors." His words fired them up. In seconds, tens of water balloons burst on him, and gulal smeared his face and his hair, his clothes. Everything was like full with colors. They attacked him from all sides. Blue, pink, yellow, green. Every shade of Holi landed on his body. He stood strong, laughing and encouraging them. "Come on, finish it all here." Within minutes, all the colors, all the balloons, all the mischief in the group were over. The road was now safe. Everyone has exhausted their fun on day. Completely drenched and colored from head to toe, Dev turned back, smiled and called Anshu, "Come, my friend, the path is clear. Go for your interview." Anshu looked at Dev, his body soaked, his clothes ruined, but his eyes glowing with loyalty. Something broke inside Anshu. All the doubts, all the misunderstandings melted away. He walked up to Dev and whispered, "You did all this for me." Dev simply smiled. Friendship isn't about saying big words. It's about standing by you when others step back. Anshu reached the interview and he was spotless and confident and got selected. When he returned in the evening, he didn't go to his so-called friends. He came straight to Dev, hugged him tightly and said, "From today I promise I will never mistake fake friends for real ones. You are my true brother." Dev patted his back and said, "And I'll always be there, even if I have to get colored 1,000 times for you." They laughed and the Holi became the most unforgettable Holi of their lives. So this was a very beautiful small story. Hopefully you all must have enjoyed. And what we learned from today's story, the moral of the story is true friends stands with us even when everyone else step back. They stand for each other. And we must learn to recognize fake friendship that exists only for benefit and fun. A real friend guides us, corrects us, protect us even when we misunderstand them. Gratitude and trust strengthen relationship. These are few moral values we learn from today's story. Hopefully you all must have enjoyed today's story. If so, please do share this story with your friends, relatives, neighbors, cousins, school friends, everyone. And please do subscribe to our channel. We will meet tomorrow with a new story. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. Lots of blessings.